Good morning guys, welcome to Sydney International Airport. Today, we are going to explore the rest of the city using this card, Opal card. You have the option to take the bus, take the train, or take any public vehicle that you can afford. But in my case, I am going to walk. Yeah, this is the cheapest way to arrive in Sydney. All you need to do is walk from Sydney International Airport going to the next station, which is Wolli Creek Station. By just walking, we save at least $15. We avoid the airport access fee. From Wolli Creek Station going to another area of Sydney, the fare maybe is around just $3 instead of $15. This is the Sydney Central Station. From here, there are trains and buses that will go to different parts of New South Wales and even in the other state of Australia. If you don't have picture with Opera House, you've never been in Australia, mate. Using this Opal card, we are going to ride the ferry.